Welcome to 74 Grand Street, a boutique new development project unlike any other. Located in the heart of Soho's historic district, 74 Grand Street has been completely restored to 5 beautiful floor-through condominium loft residences. Originally built in 1885, the developer painstakingly restored the 32-ton cast iron facade so perfectly that the building was featured in the New York Times and is the recipient of the 2022 Preservation Award for Excellence in Restoration, Preservation, and Adaptive Use of a Historic Building by the New York Landmarks Conservancy. Behind this beautiful cast iron facade are 5 magnificent 2- and 3-bedroom lofts, including 1 spectacular penthouse. Enter these homes through a private key-locked elevator and you find yourself in a true Soho loft with soaring ceilings and a wall of south-facing, sun-drenched casement windows. The thing that people love most about loft living is the fact that you have this huge living room with high ceilings, big windows facing south, and it's connected right to your kitchen for entertaining. Everything in these lofts is brand new. The kitchens have top-of-the-line appliances that include Sub-Zero refrigerator, wine cooler, Miele dishwasher, wall oven, and microwave oven, lacquered walnut cabinetry, statuary marble island slab with matching countertops and backsplash, 6-burner gas cooktop with a pot filler and a vented hood. All of the bathrooms feature Waterworks pearl stone tile and fixtures. So the penthouse at 74 Grand Street is situated at the top 3 floors of the building with 2 private outdoor spaces and this incredible living room and everything that you would want in a penthouse right in the heart of Soho. The building is programmed with a virtual doorman and private storage in the basement for each loft. 74 Grand has been a labor of love and captures the best of historic Soho and modern living. Only 5 owners will be lucky enough to call 74 Grand Street home.